Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to calculate car expenses per month. So let's say you're considering two options. One car is a little older than the other. One car has a lower cost. One car has a lower mile per gallon. One car has lower repairs. So if we made a table of all those and try to figure out how much it's going to cost us per month, we can compare those two options. So if we add up the cost of the repairs and the cost of the 2008 vehicle, so we do our 3,588, add our 988, so that turns out to be $4,576 over it. Buying it and then paying 988 for repairs. Divide that by, well, we'll go ahead and divide that by 4 years worth, and if we want to do it by month, that'll be 48 months. So let's go ahead and divide that by 48. We get a value of $95.33. So the cost of buying the vehicle is that much per month, and we have to buy gas. So if I buy 200 miles per week, so that'll be 800 miles a month. So 800 miles per month. We're going to divide by the miles per gallon, which is 20. So that means I have to buy 40 gallons per month. And if I have to buy 40 gallons per month at $2 per gallon, that turns out to be $80 a month. So if I add these two, then for the 2008 vehicle, I might expect to pay $175.33 per month. Now let's do that for the 2010 vehicle. So we have 7,546. We're going to add our 368. That comes out to be $7,914. Now we're going to divide that by 72 months, 6 years, whoops, 72. That turns out to be $109.92. And the miles per gallon is 23. So if I do my 800 miles divided by 23, so 34 gallons more or less, multiply that by, 34 gallons, 34.8. And then if I multiply that by $2 per gallon, so $69.56, 57 cents. 69.57. So if I add those together, then I get $179.49. Okay, so let's compare these two. They tell us specifically how to do it. Subtract the expenses of the older one from the newer one. So the older one is the 175. We'll subtract that from the 179.49. So 179.49 minus 175.33 gives us $4.16 difference. So we save about $4 a month buying an older vehicle based on these numbers, if those numbers work out.